Hey guys, this is Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. Thank you so much for tuning in to our video today. I wanted to talk to you about entry-level machines. We have a couple of options for you. It's really going to depend on your application and what works best. I'm standing here with the VH700. This cabinet is going to be your open loop version of the 700, which means you have a water hose hookup. It's got a top load, so you're going to lift that up, put your parts inside. They are 24 by 18 by 20 is the workspace inside this cabinet. It's got a small LED floodlight. The requirements on the CFM for this cabinet is going to be 20 to 30 CFM. Again, you're going to fill this up to this level here. You're going to put in about 12 pounds of abrasive. It will sit comfortably on a tabletop, which makes it really easy for a smaller footprint. Standing behind me, we have the 700 closed loop system. As you can see, we have the closed loop basins underneath. This also keeps it into a small footprint, but what it's gonna do is give you the opportunity to recycle your rinse water. So with an open loop system, you have a water hose hooked to the cabinet for rinsing. With the closed loop system, you have these two basins and a pump that will pull and recycle your rinse water, keeping it a self-contained unit at all times. So perfect for if you don't have access to water, that's where you're gonna consider the closed loop. So another alternative that we have is gonna be your Weekend Warrior. This cabinet is more of a hobbyist type cabinet. The workspace inside is gonna be 33 inches by 30 inches by 28 inches. Most cases we find about 85 to 90% of parts that are gonna come in your shop will fit inside this cabinet. It is an open loop system, so it does need to have a water hose hooked to it for rinsing. But what you can do is add a closed loop system for $650. The Weekend Warrior has the small LED floodlight inside. It also has the overflow valve. It's gonna be more manual than it is automation. So we have the ball valve on the side for the drainage that you're gonna open and close when you need to equalize your water level inside. For more information, if you have any questions, please give me a call today at 828-220-4967. Thank you so much.